In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new notebook in OneNote. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end you'll have a fresh notebook ready to organize your notes. First, open your web browser and go to onenote.cloud.microsoft. This is OneNote on the web, so it's accessible from any modern browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the page so you can return to your notes quickly in the future. On the OneNote home screen, look for the option to create a new notebook. It may appear as a button labeled Create New Notebook or New Notebook. Click it and you'll be asked to name your notebook. Choose a clear, meaningful name. Something that describes the topic or purpose so it's easy to spot later. Confirm, and OneNote will open your new notebook right away. Next, add a section. Think of sections like tabs or categories that group related pages together. Look to the left sidebar for an option such as Add Section or a plus icon. Click it and give the section a descriptive title. You can always rename it later, and you can create as many sections as you need, but starting with one keeps things tidy and focused. Now add a page inside that section. Pages are where your actual notes live. On the right side, you'll see an option to add page or a plus icon. Click it and enter a page title at the top. A good title makes it easy to scan and find your notes later. You can add more pages at any time and reorder them as your project grows. Finally, type a note. OneNote's canvas is flexible, so click anywhere on the page to start typing. You're not confined to a single column. You can create multiple text containers, move them around, and arrange your content however you like. As you type, feel free to format text with headings, bold, italics, or lists. If you like checklists, add to-do boxes to track tasks. OneNote saves your work automatically, so there's no need to press save. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back. That's it. Go to onenote.cloud.microsoft, create a new notebook, add a section, add a page, and type your note. Keep your structure simple at first and adjust as you learn what works best. With this foundation in place, you're ready to capture ideas, organize projects, and keep everything in one place.